Hey everybody and welcome to Best Twitch Streamers, and today I'm gonna be answering a question that I've seen some of you guys ask, and that's gonna be how you can add channel points. You can't add channel points, you can earn channel points. That's the difference. That difference is basically you can't spend money in order to earn channel points. Now over here, how to earn, if you watch him every 5 minutes, you're gonna get a 10. For special bonuses, you're gonna get a 50. If you participate in raids, 250, follow this channel, 300, monthly first cheer, monthly first gift a sub. These are the only two ways you can spend a little bit of money, but you don't get a lot of channel points. You get 350 and 500. And the other way would be if you do a tier 3 sub over here. If you do a tier 3 sub, you can get a 2 times multiplier, and that multiplier is going to be a 2 times. So basically every 5 minutes you're going to get 20, every special bonus is going to be 100, and so on and so forth. So I hope this answers your question on how you can add channel points. In short, you can't add channel points. You'll have to earn it in a way or two. The only way you can add is by the monthly gift and the monthly cheer. That's about it. So with that being said, thank you so much for watching. I hope you learned something. If you did, drop a like, drop a subscribe, and hit that notification bell because we're coming up with brand new videos almost every day. With that being said, see you tomorrow. Bye bye.